Actif Sport and Leisure is Carmarthenshire County Council's section for focusing on getting people physically active and healthy.
The Actif Passport is a programme at our leisure centres for children to develop skills they need for a life in sport. Children will learn physical skills, develop confidence, have fun and make new friends through activities and games.
I wanted to become a young ambassador because I like improving people's skills and I like teaching. I want to improve kids younger than me with different kinds of sports.
I really enjoy being a young ambassador of sport only because it's really good for not only me but for our kids as well. So you'll develop as a coach and as a person with social skills, leadership skills and all the things that you want to get.
Our fitness provision is second to none. We make sure that we employ friendly and highly skilled motivational fitness instructors.
Yeah, it's a very friendly atmosphere in the gym. That makes it very comfortable for me when I do come to train and work out. I can just get on with what I want to get on with.
I've just completed a Zumba class at Carmarthen Leisure Centre. It's been fantastic, absolutely love it. After the classes we all stay and have a coffee. It's really nice because I made a lot of new friends. The classes are so beneficial, not only socialising but health-wise as well.
Suffering from Parkinson's disease as well as osteoarthritis, I had to have several hip replacements. And I found myself gradually getting less and less fit, and I found it very difficult to exercise at home. I was given the opportunity to come on this scheme here where you have regular exercise sessions tailor-made 2 hours a week, and you meet lots of people with similar ailments. It's very rewarding physically and mentally. I've got nothing but praise for the physiotherapy staff here, and I look forward to coming twice a week.
Ultimately, we want our facilities to be the heart of the community in order to get more people more active more often.